Well, 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 what have we here? Whoa! 1, 2, 3, 14-pound briskets. And guess what? There's another 3 in there. Oh yeah, it's brisket time. Hey now, it has been a long day waiting to play with this brisket. So I've got brisket number 1 sitting right here, and what I'm going to be doing is giving it a rub with some, actually this right here. And in that, I've got a mix of paprika, black pepper, kosher salt, turbinado sugar, chili pepper, garlic, onion, and cayenne. And I'll have the actual recipe, the breakdown of that in the comment section for the video. What I'm doing right now is I'm just going to give this a rub down with it. I'm going to place them outside in the smoker because the temperature outside tonight is actually going to be just fine for letting them sit out there. It'll be about refrigerator temperature almost all night. And then really early in the morning, I'm going to be firing up the smoker. So for now, it's just giving a really light layer. I don't want to overdo the rub because brisket is so delicious on its own. I know there are a lot of schools of thought of, you know, what you should put on, whether it should just be left alone or salt and pepper, what have you. I do like a little bit extra flavor going on here though, which is why I'm choosing to do that. Argue with me if you wish. To each their own. But anyway, just a little bit of seasoning on here. Like I said, not overdoing it. And just like that. So I'm going to take brisket number 1. I'm going to fire it in my little bin here. And then I've got 5 more to deal with. And here we are, all rubbed down and in the smoker. Got a bunch of charcoal in there. Apparently I spilt a little bit on the sides. That's not a big deal. All these are good. They're going to hang out in here overnight. And then, like I said, in the morning, bright and early, it is time to fire up. Right, boys? 5 a.m. All is quiet. Except for this. All right, here we are after 7 hours since I began the smoking process here, and I'd say probably about, you know, right around 6 hours or so since we actually hit temperature in here. And these things are looking amazing. A little bit of variance in internal temperature right now, so at like 145, bottom's about 140, but in the back middle it's pushing 160 apparently. So I'm just going to do a little rearranging. I'm going to do so with the world's largest spatula here. So I don't want to keep this open too much longer, so I'm going to quickly do that. All right, so these bad boys got just around 13 hours or so in the smoker, and look at that bark. Woo! Nice and jiggly. Very excited. And I've let it rest for, this one's had about 45 minutes or so, so I just really, really want to cut into it and see what we're working with here. Whew, it's just falling right apart. Look at that. Beautiful, amazing, juicy, well-developed bark. This was super fun. I absolutely love brisket. It is basically the best food ever. So, yeah, there you go, folks. If you like the video, subscribe. Lots of meat and all kinds of videos coming down the pipeline here. So, yeah, till next time, keep it at 11.